This episode explores gentle cough relief using honey and marshmallow root tea, a time-honored remedy adaptable for kids, moms, and dads. For children over 1, a teaspoon of honey before bed soothes throat irritation, while marshmallow root coats mucous membranes. Women can sip marshmallow tea during winter evenings to ease dry cough and support throat comfort without harsh chemicals. Men performing outdoor work can inhale warm steam and sip honeyed marshmallow to calm irritated airways between shifts. Historically used in 19th century apothecaries, this duo offers soothing mucilage and antioxidants. Avoid honey for infants under 1 year.